Hello folks, I have today this beautiful clock to present that I obtained from one of the estate sales. It's by Hamilton. Beautiful sound. I will show you what the sound look like. It does have a silent button on the side, and it doesn't work, and I'm not sure what's happened to it. It looks extremely nice condition. Очень very good condition. So, and that's how it's work. For some reason, after 15 minutes giving this song, then in the half it's given another one, so it's doing every quarter. So it's another one. And on the back is just impressive. I'll show you. The condition is outstanding. Sounds is amazing. But it's not work for some reason. Try to run this. So might just need adjustment, I guess. Overall, it's extremely nice condition. Again, this is Hamilton, and Mr. West Germany is made, and it's part number 340, whatever is it. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Well, thanks for watching. If anybody can suggest me how to fix this, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.